Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, I am going to show you a unique and interesting AI template. So many of the AI tools are having a template like this. By uploading your PDF for any document, you can analyze your document. No AI tools is offering to analyze the Excel sheets, because when you are coming to research paper writing or research purposes, you must have to analyze the data. That data must be stored in a Excel sheet. So in order to analyze that respective Excel sheet, so we are having an AI template. So that AI template will be very helpful for you to analyze that Excel sheet and give precise answers for you. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI template and how you can use that AI template for your research paper writing purpose. So for that, first go to lmsolution.net.in. So in this LMS solution website, you will be having an option called LMS AI. So you can just click on LMS AI. So in this LMS AI, you will be having different kinds of LMS AI templates. All these templates are especially designed for research paper writing and academic purpose. So in this video, I am going to show you Excel, that is Excel analysis template, that is chat with Excel. So you can just click on the option called chat with Excel. So it leads to a dashboard like this here. So before uploading, I will show you what is the Excel sheet I am having. So this Excel sheet comprises of 50 different methods data. So with respect to efficiency, response time, THD, power factor, cost, and then stability index. So this is the Excel sheet we are going to upload for 50 different methods. So in order to do so what I am going to do is, so choose file, click on the choose file option. So I am having that Excel sheet in my desktop. So comparison table of 50 methods. So just to open that, just click on upload. Your Excel sheet will be uploaded. Here you can ask whatever the questions related with that Excel sheet. You can say main findings of the paper or summarize the paper or explain the results of the paper. So for example, explain the results from this and also provide which one is best in all aspects. Like that, I am going to ask a question, research question. So after giving that research question, just click on the option called send. So your uploaded Excel sheet will be analyzed. After that, here comes the content. So the data set comprises of performance metrics of 50 different methods, evaluated 6 key parameters. So these are the different parameters. Performance metrics, efficiency. The highest efficiency will be in method 2 with a value of 98.31%. Next, response time. So method 7 exhibits better response time. Next, total harmonic distortion. So method 46 have the lowest THD in 1.33%. Next, power factor. Method 42 achieves the power factor of 0.98. So next is stability. Method 12 has highest stability index of 0.998. So this is for individual methods. So next, what we have asked is that best method evaluation. To determine the best method across all aspects, we can summarize the findings. So method 2 ranks highest in efficiency and cost index. Method 7 excels in response time. Method 46 in best in terms of THD. Method 42 leads in power factor. Method 12 is more stable. So here, what is the conclusion is that, so method 2 is best for efficiency. If a balanced approach is required, consider efficiency cost. Method 2 may be preferred. So however, if quick response time is paramount, method 7 would be the best choice. So based upon the application, you can select. This is how you can get a detailed analysis of an Excel sheet. So this is not only for this. If you're having a large data amount, you can use that data. You can just upload this Excel sheet and get the explanation in seconds. No other AI tool is offering this kind of option. And also you will be having possible research questions also. So in order to even continue with this, so you can ask again the possible research question. So you can add upon this possible research question and then you can just click on the option called send. Again, it will analyze that particular question you have asked for. So after that, it will generate the content for you. So here you can see correlation, coefficient calculation, how it is calculated. Like that, for every question, a detailed answers will be given. Based upon that, you can analyze your Excel sheets very better and make your research paper writing simple and easy. So as far as plans and pricing is concerned, you can just click on plans and pricings. So here you can see for basic plan at just 199, so you can access all our LMS AI tool for 1 month and you can get one plagiarism plus AI report per plan. And important thing is that you can get unlimited access for 1 month. The best value pack is 999. You can access all our LMS AI templates for 1 year and you can get 12 plagiarism and AI report per plan. Important thing is that you can access our course on demand videos and unlimited access for 1 year. So you can access all our templates unlimited for 1 year. So make use of this option and make your research paper writing simple and easy. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. Thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.